And we're back, guys. What is up? So, today some parts came in the mail. Pretty stoked, not gonna lie. We had some alloyed powersport rock sliders. Got them off Amazon. They're a pretty good price. I think it was $330 in shipping. It's pretty good for rock sliders. They're steel. I already went ahead, threw on one side so I can explain how everything works for you. Instructions over here, not the best. I mean, they show you everything. I don't know, not the best. Now, well, I'll tell you what we need. We need a ratchet extension, 13 mil, and we have your OEM fasteners. They already come tightened, so you don't get a frig with them or anything like that. They're already ready to go. This is pretty self-explanatory. Flat side, flat. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the flat side and the flat side. All right. Now, they're going to go in here. You're going to tighten them, and they're going to expand. Pretty self-explanatory. I'll flip this over here for you. See, flat side. On your flat side, so it's going to go in like this. Again, this. And then we switch and we go kind of at an angle. All right. So I went ahead, fired on the side. You're going to want two people. I have a buddy. He's a little camera shy, so he's not on here. But anyway, so your buddy's going to hold it up, line it up for you. You're going to sit there with the phone, the light on, make sure all your holes are lined up. And then you're going to put these in with your extension, your socket on, and tighten until you feel the center one snug. Start with your center one so you can wiggle it around a bit if you have to, anything like that. Now, you may have to loosen your plastics, slide them back and forth a bit. I didn't have to. I was lucky enough. But you might have to do that. What is it? It calls for 17 pounds torque. That's the spec on them. I'll probably do 20. 20 pounds. Pretty much hand tight. And after you torque it to 20 foot-pounds, she's solid. You're good. That ain't coming off. There's no squeak noises. I'm shaking, but the machine's shaking. I don't know if you guys can tell that, but she is. It's going. You're good. You guys just installed rock sliders. Look at that. All right, well, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe. That'd be awesome. Help us out.